I'm going to make this video to document a milestone that I've been waiting 20 years to see on this property. This little guy you see here is a mesquite tree. You can see he's down in there. And this is the first year, I've lived here 20 years, and this is the first year that we have mesquite flowers, which hopefully means I will be getting some mesquite bean pods this year. You see I got several of them on here, right there. I've got, let's see, 3 mesquite trees on my property. This is one of them. I'll take you to the other 2. On the way, I'll probably show you a few other little milestones. I don't know if I'd call them a milestone, but it's something that I'm glad that's happening this year that hadn't really happened in previous years. So let's take a look at these mesquite trees. I have several pecans that have come up in the last few years I want to leave. In the next 30 years or so, they'll be nice big trees. I'll be dead, but you know. The pond is nice and it's not full, but it's holding water consistently. This time of the year, we usually have water in this little pool for about 6 months out of the year on a normal year. And this is exciting for me. For years, I've been trying to get thistle growing. And you can see I've got a nice, huge patch of thistle over here. And I've got it in a few other places in the yard. But I'm really satisfied that I got a nice, large patch of seed supply now. All right, here's another mesquite tree that probably needs to have some trimming. It's in the path, but we've left these branches because, again, we want to have as many bean pods as we can. So we're probably going to sacrifice this trail so we can get some bean pods, and I'll trim these branches next year because this tree goes way off in the back. This is some yard art that I did with this tree where I've bent the tree. It's probably not good for it, but it seems to be okay for now. And bent the tree way back so that way more light could get into the garden this way. Kind of a way to keep the tree without, you know, killing it. And it seems to have paid off because I got lots of flowers on this mesquite. Some more of those pecans coming up. Don't know if I'll leave those. Probably have to dig those up because this is my my Mexican plum garden bed here. And several of these Mexican plums have gotten quite large. There's a little tiny one right there. Let's see. A real big one there in the back. Let's get off to this last mesquite. Okay, so the last mesquite doesn't look like it's ready to flower yet. You can see it's really small. All 3 of these mesquites have been on the property since I've been here, so they're older than 20 years. How old are they? I don't know. Older than 20 years. Oh, some of the sumac, the prairie leaf sumac that I flame leaf took. That's good. Yeah, there we go. Documenting the mesquite for the first time in 20 years. And so if you want to have mesquite bean pods and you plant your mesquite trees from sapling or seed, you only need to wait, you know, like almost your most productive adult years.